Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In our last video, we talked about Course 1 of the Google IT Certificates program, the Google IT Support Professional Certificate. This is a fantastic beginner-level course, perfect for high school graduates or anyone looking to launch a new career in IT. If you haven't checked out that video yet, make sure to watch it after this one. Today, we're diving into the second course under the Google IT Certificates program, the Google IT Automation with Python Professional Certificate. This course is designed for those who already have some IT knowledge and want to advance their careers by learning automation, scripting, and Python programming. The Google IT Automation with Python Professional Certificate is an intermediate-level course that focuses on 1. Python programming. Learn the fundamentals of Python and how to write scripts. 2. Using Python to interact with the operating system. Understand how to automate tasks using Python scripts. 3. Version control with Git and GitHub. Learn how to track and manage code versions. 4th, troubleshooting and debugging. Develop skills to identify and fix issues in IT systems. 5. Configuration management and cloud automation. Understand tools like Puppet and how they help automate system administration tasks. 6. Automating real-world IT tasks. Apply your skills to real-world scenarios and projects. This course provides various resources to help you succeed, including hands-on labs and practical exercises, video tutorials from industry experts, access to Google's interactive learning platform, a final capstone project to demonstrate your skills. With this certification, you can unlock multiple career opportunities, such as IT support specialist with automation skills, junior systems administrator, information technology automation engineer, network administrator, site reliability engineer (SRE), DevOps engineer. If you're looking to take your IT career to the next level, the Google IT Automation with Python Professional Certificate is an excellent choice. Whether you want to improve efficiency in IT operations or transition into DevOps and automation roles, this course equips you with the necessary skills. This course is available at Coursera, and it's a fully online course. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more career and education path videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye now and happy learning.